Ida, learning the alphabet.
Apple.
What letter is this? What letter?
A.
This one is...
Apple.
This one.
Bone.
This one.
Cat.
This one. How about this one? See, look at the two. How about this one? What's this one?
Duck.
Duck. And this one?
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack. And this one?
Egg.
Egg. And this one?
Fish.
Fish. And this one, your favorite?
Ice
What's this?
cream.
Ice cream. And this one?
Milk.
Milk. And how about this one? This one? Ida.
La la la.
How about this one?
Apple.
What? What again? Come again? What's this one? What's this one? Okay. Hey, about this one? Ito, oh. See this one? About this one?
Quack, quack.
Wag, wag. What color is that?
Orange.
Orange. And this one? What's this one?
Teddy bear.
Ah, okay. And this one?
Shoes.
Shoes. This one? This one?
It's an apple.
What?
It's an apple.